Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Despite the fact that two special general meetings are looming for the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, JTTA, come tomorrow, President Godfrey Lothian is insisting that his team will be acting within the rules set out by the Constitution when they convene. More in this report. Lothian's team will be meeting at Caribbean Palms in Kingston on Saturday to give the president a vote of confidence. But a vote of no confidence is looming at a separate special general meeting at the National Arena, which will be held by Lothian's challenger Andrew Liu on the same day. Though issues remain as to which meeting should be officially recognized, Lothian says his team is insistent on carrying out their constitutional mandate.
We are going by the Constitution. The Constitution says the annual general meeting must be held every February, and we'll be setting a date for February for the annual general meeting. Right. And we will write to all the members right across the board to see the date of that we have come up with.
Lothian says the situation with the affiliates list remains a sticking point, as he has refused to sign off until certain associations are reinstated. He has, however, admitted that the inclusion of the Kingston and St. Andrew Cricket Association on the list of affiliates could be seen as a conflict of interest, as he is the president of that body.
And maybe so, in my insight and looking at it, maybe it is so. People will look at it that way. But I absolutely does not chart the course of where that goes.
In the meantime, Lothian has questioned the legitimacy of attorney Ramon Midas, who is said to be considering joining the race as a challenger for presidency. And he says his association will look to firmly defend its reputation in the courts if necessary against some of the claims being made by Midas.
He seems to be making allegations, he seems to be doing all that thing. I think he's a fake, or he's on the other team and trying to divert attention. We will be pursuing vigorously, seriously, any attempt to character assassination or anything, at the right time.
Both special general meetings are scheduled to start at around 1 p.m. on Saturday.